Now, back here in Chicago, closing arguments are set in the case of a landlord accused of killing a 6-year-old boy and seriously injuring his mother. Dane Placco is covering this trial for us and is live with the latest on today's proceedings. Dane?
Yeah, closing arguments are wrapping up as we speak right now. The case could be going to the jury very shortly at this point, and we may be getting, we are told, a verdict possibly as early as this afternoon. Now, 73-year-old Joseph Chuba of Plainfield is charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of attempted murder, and 2 counts of committing a hate crime. Prosecutors say he stabbed to death 6-year-old Wadi Al-Fayumi and critically injured the boy's mother, Hanan Shaheen, because they're Palestinian Americans. Those 2 were tenants living in Chuba's Plainfield home. The violent outburst taking place just days after the Hamas attack on Israel in October of 2023. During closing arguments this morning, lead prosecutor calling the murder, quote, brutal, cold-blooded, and ruthless, saying it is clear that Chuba's hatred of Palestinian Americans was the motive for that attack. But Chuba's defense attorney tried to suggest that the boy's mother was responsible for the attack, saying during his closing argument there was a rush to judgment by Will County sheriffs. Quote, the police didn't do any other work. He also tried to explain Chuba's racist statements by saying, this is America where people have a right to believe what they want to believe. Just because Joseph does not agree with the PLO does not mean Joseph is a murderer. And that prompted an angry response during the prosecution's rebuttal, in which the prosecutor told jurors, quote, I am asking for you to use your common sense today and not listen to outlandish theories. As I said, the case is now shortly will be in the hands of the jury. No predicting how long juries will take, but there could be a verdict as early as this afternoon. A number of people from the Palestinian American community here also on hand watching these closing arguments this morning. Members of the Council on American Islamic Relations planning a prayer vigil in the lobby of the Will County Courthouse at 1 p.m. Live in Will County, Dane Placco, Fox 32 Chicago.